In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install drivers on Windows 11. So what you can do is click on the Windows icon there, go to settings, and then come to the bottom to Windows Update. And then you want to scroll down and click on Advanced Options, and we want to go ahead and click on Optional Updates, okay? And then Driver Updates right there. You can go ahead and select the driver updates and download and install them that way, okay? Or you can go to your search bar, type device, and then you want to click on Device Manager, okay? And then you want to go ahead and update your drivers this way by right clicking on it and then clicking Update Driver. You want to click Search Automatically, and as you can see, I have it already installed, but if there is an update available, it will go ahead and install it for you, okay? So that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.